हाय गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू येट अनदर वीडियो। और ये महीने हमने कुछ ज़्यादा ही शॉपिंग की है, सो वी थॉट लेट अस शेयर यू कि हमने क्या क्या खरीदा है। सो विदाउट एनी फर्दर डू लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड।
सो इट्स गोइंग टू बी अ कलेक्टिव हॉल। सब कुछ रैंडम हमने जहाँ से भी लिया है, बीट स्ट्रीट शॉपिंग और स्टोर शॉपिंग और ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग, सब कुछ है। सो इन नो पर्टिकुलर ऑर्डर, लेट्स बिगिन। सो आई स्टार्ट ऑफ विथ सबसे सस्ती चीजें जो मैंने लिए फ्रॉम बैंड्रा लिंकिंग रोड, एंड दोज आर फुटवेयर। सो आई बॉट 3 pairs of footwear for 200 each.
200 each?
Yeah, and ये तो मैं पहने भी नहीं अब तक. So this is a pair of heels, platform heels that I bought from Bandra Linking Road. And ये Indian wear पे बहुत अच्छा लगता है. It has this cushioning also यहाँ पे, as you can see. And it's the perfect amount of heel that I personally like, and is comfortable to wear as well. And 200 rupees के लिए तो I'm not even complaining. Then I have these pair of flats जो मैंने I guess एक बार पहने हैं. This is like a very pretty dusty rose color, and इस पे golden buckle है आगे, as you can see. ये भी 200 में है. Basic, you can wear it with literally everything. And last but not the least is this one right here. इस पे आगे transparent strap है, as you can see, and black border, and this is my personal favorite. It looks so classy, paired with casuals, even with office wear. And ये भी 200 का है. It is from Zudio, इस पे ऐसा लिखा है, but it's very comfortable to wear. The patterns are good, the price is amazing. और क्या चाहिए? So yeah, these are 3 pair of footwear that I got.
तो ये महीने मैंने सबसे ज़्यादा अपने पैसे मेकअप में डाले हुए हैं. आई हैव बॉट एन नंबर ऑफ प्रोडक्ट्स. उसमें से मैं 2-3 चीज़ें आपसे शेयर कर रही हूँ. एंड जो चीज़ें मैं शेयर कर रही हूँ वो है फेंटी ब्यूटी से. यू गाइज नो फेंटी ब्यूटी इज ओन्ड बाय रिहाना, एंड इट इज़ अ वेरी गुड ब्रांड नोन इंटरनेशनली. इंडिया में अनफॉर्चुनेटली उसके प्रोडक्ट्स अवेलेबल नहीं थे अनलेस एंड अनटिल द न्यू ऐप विच इज़ द कल्ट ऐप केम टू इंडिया, एंड दे लॉन्च फेंटी प्रोडक्ट्स इन इंडिया. सो आई बॉट अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स. So firstly, it is their Fenty Beauty highlighter. The packaging is so beautiful. Good. It is their diamond bomb. Yeah, it is their diamond bomb highlighter. Look at the packaging. I would just buy this for the packaging. The second thing is their bronzer, and oh my god, iski packaging to has my heart. Full golden है, and when you open also it's so nice and clean. This is the bronzer. ये मैंने अब तक एक भी बार यूज़ नहीं किया है, but I am so excited to use this. All these products in my kit, in my professional kit, is going to help me so much. This is their contour stick, और ये मैंने हर makeup आर्टिस्ट के पास देखा है कि दे हैव द फेंटी कॉन्टोर स्टिक. सो दिस इज द शेड मोका, इफ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग. यस, मोका. एंड आई हैव द फेंटी फाउंडेशन. 2 फाउंडेशंस है. ये मेरे को उर्वी हेल्प मी, उनके कोई कजन्स आ रहे थे किधर अब्रॉड से, तो शी ऑर्डर 2 फाउंडेशंस फॉर मी. So yeah, I got this. This is 330 and 300. I got 2 foundations for my kit, and one of my favorite product. This is the Fenty lip gloss. ये दोनों हम दोनों ने अपने lips पे फिलहाल लगाए हुए हैं, and we both love it. This is really good. और ये सारा product मैंने कल्ट से मंगवाया with a very good discount. So like I literally paid 1/4 of the price for this products, which I really love.
Then moving on to the makeup products that I bought. The first thing that I have is the Purple Haze palette by Huda Beauty. It looks so classy. It has like all the shades of purple and pink and lavender in it. The MRP for this was I guess 2,600 if I'm not wrong, and I was never going to pay that much for a mini palette, like a 9 shadow palette. But again, cult pay. This was a launch offer that everything on the app was on flat 75% off. So I got this just for 450 rupees.
Oh my god.
I mean 450 mein if you get like a Huda palette, I mean that's the craziest deal, right? So I got this one. I didn't need it. I just got it ऐसे because it was just for 450, and that was like a one time deal. अभी तो वो डील उन्होंने बंद कर दी है. Literally रात को 11-12 बजे मैं और डिंकल एक दूसरे को मैसेज कर रहे कि okay, we are buying this, we are buying that, because it was such a cool offer and वो खत्म होने वाला था. Thank God we actually made the most out of it.
I thought
she made the most, and she actually needed it as well for her kit. And the next thing that I bought is the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless Setting Spray. This I got from Nykaa only. Again, I got this on a discount for 450 rupees, if I'm not wrong. I have the other one that I was using from Maybelline, and I actually really liked it for daily use. So I really wanted to try this one because it was like the matte and poreless one. I haven't used it yet, but I'm very excited to see. I hope this works because an affordable setting spray जो mattifying और long lasting हो, उसकी बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरत है मुंबई में. So yeah, I'm very excited to use this. this.
So the next thing which I have got are clothes from H&M. मैं फिलहाल H&M से काफ़ी शॉपिंग करने लग गई हूँ. And this is the first one piece which I got. ये मैंने H&M के सेल में लिया था just for 999 rupees. It's such a cute one piece. I love it. ये मेरे पे बहुत अच्छा लगता है. The only thing which I don't like about H&M is their fitting. It is a hit or a miss. Either you will love it or you won't like it. इसमें भी मेरे को थोड़ा issues लग रहा है अपने bust area से, but I can get it altered and get it fixed. मैंने एक बार पहना भी and it looks so cute on me. I really love it. इसके नीचे आप white shoes पहनो, white heels पहनो. It's a nice cute lunch date outfit or something like that. And the second thing which I got is this yellow color crop tops. I've been loving to wear crop tops. ऐसे जो bright yellow colors and bright colors हैं बहुत अच्छे लग रहे हैं मेरे body type पे. So this is how it looks like. And this is for I guess 499 or 599 rupees, which isn't bad because the quality of this is really good. I wouldn't mind paying this much.
Then moving on, I bought this sports bra recently from My Bliss Club. This is in the size XL. I bought it for like 700 or 800 rupees when it was on sale. काफी sales चल रही थी मई जून में, इसीलिए ये haul बन भी रहा है in the first place. This is a padded sports bra and they have some amazing colors and like size variety as well. This fits me like a crazy dream. It's so nice and the best part about this is that the length, it's not something जो बार बार fold हो जाए या आप हाथ ऊपर करो तो आपका अंडरपास दिखे, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं होता है. The band जो नीचे है, it just sticks to your body so nicely and I don't wear this as like a sports bra. I wear this actually like a crop top. I just layer it with a shirt or a jacket. इसका neck काफी ऊपर है, so I'm always very comfortable. नीचे से ऐसा tension नहीं होती, ऊपर से tension नहीं होती. It's so breathable and the fabric is really nice and it the pads are also removable just in case if you want to like wear your own bra inside it.
I got our shoes and this is how it looks like. I love the way this looks like. So मैं पहले Nike स्टोर में गई थी and वहाँ पे ऐसे सिमिलर शूज थे जो मुझे बहुत अच्छे लगे थे. बहुत मैंने अपने सारे फ्रेंड्स को उसके फोटो भेजे थे. No, I wanted them to get it, but those were for 15,000, which was too much money for me. Like बहुत खर्चे हो गए थे कि 15,000 के शूज मैं फिलहाल नहीं खरीद सकती थी. So मेरी फ्रेंड ने क्या किया, वो जो शूज का पिक्चर था ना, उसने Amazon पे ऐसे ही वो डाला हुआ है. You can scan the pictures and see similar products. And then we found this shoes. This was just for 600 rupees and it looks exactly or very similar to that, which I really love. And बहुत comfortable है, बहुत sporty look देते हैं. So I love it.
Then moving on to my crazy weird obsession with Aldo bags. If you don't know that already, I am a person who is obsessed with Aldo bags. I literally have 8 of them right now in my collection. I am building a collection for some reason. I don't know why. So during the end of season sale, abhi as sale ही चल रहा है. So I bought these 2 bags from the sale. The first one is this one, which has my heart. It looks so classy. It has these studs over here, golden hardware, black and golden chain. It looks very classy and sophisticated and it is a thoda bigger size as compared to a sling bag. It fits in a lot of stuff as well and iske andar like ye 2 sections hai, so you can literally fit in a lot of stuff, which I personally love. And you can use this as like a single strap as well and double as well. मैं double ही रखती हूँ and I just love the quality of Aldo bags. They just look so classy and मतलब they are not going to go bad. Like this golden hardware, ये सब black नहीं पड़ेगा. That is what you're paying for, right? Correct. So yeah, this is the one that I got. The other one is this one. This is a small sling bag, which is so cute. Like the first time I saw it, I was like, I have to get it. It's colorful, but it's muted at the same time. So it has a pink handle. It has this neon orange rope. It has a white flap. Piche there's yellow. Side mein there's a blue. And when you open it, it has lilac andar. So it has a lot of colors, but still it's like a very muted color. It has a long strap as well. ये छोटा है ऑफ कोर्स, इसमें सिर्फ एक ही सेक्शन है, ये अंदर चेन है, बट यू कैन स्टिल फिट इन योर वॉलेट एंड लाइक योर लिपस्टिक एंड कोम एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट, तो उतना तो फिट हो ही जाता है. एंड आई पर्सनली लव दिस वन. इट लुक्स सो क्यूट एंड आई कैन स्टाइल दिस इन सो मेनी डिफरेंट वेज विथ सो मेनी डिफरेंट आउटफिट्स. सो या, दीज आर माई 2 prized possessions right now.
The next thing which I have are earrings. मैंने ये महीने बहुत earrings की shopping की है. So first तो I got these earrings by Landmark Expert. Yeah,
Excite.
Landmark Excite. जो short जो place है बॉम्बे में उसके नीचे है. And उधर से मैं इतनी बड़ी बड़ी golden earrings लेके आई, which I really love. And ये expensive भी नहीं थी. I don't remember the price of it. इसको काफी time हो गया. But I guess $399.
Yeah. बस उसमें हाँ वही range 200, 300, 400.
हाँ वही रेंज में थे. 4-5 सेट्स थे इसमें विच आई रियली लाइक और ये काफी अच्छी सी चली. और हम लोग रिसेंटली H&M गए थे, वहां से भी मैंने इयररिंग्स ली थी. सो दोज आर लाइक लिटरली दी स्मॉल हुप्स. मोस्टली मैंने हुप्स ही लिए. सो लाइक लिटरली वेरी टाइनी हुप्स. अगेन फॉर $399 का एक बड़ा सा पैकेट था. आई फॉरगॉट टू कैरी दैट बट या आई एम ऑब्सेस्ड विद इयररिंग्स लेटली. एंड मेरे सारे ज्वेलरी ना पुराने वाली टर्निश हो रही थी. सो आई वांटेड न्यू. सो इयररिंग्स मैंने बहुत सारी इयररिंग्स खरीदी है इन
general, yeah. Going on to the last thing that I have are shirts. So I'm obsessed with shirts because shirts are something that you can style in so many different ways. You can wear it as it is. You can either belt it up. You can either open it up and wear it with a crop top. You can tuck it in. Like so many different ways, right?
Correct.
And even especially when you're a person who goes to office, shirts is like the way to go for me at least. So I've bought like 3 to 4 shirts from Westside. I'm obsessed with Westside lately. They have some really good stuff. Modest fashion में जो trendy भी हो और classy भी लगे. And they have a lot of options to choose from at like a decent rate. I wouldn't say they're too affordable like Pantaloons or Max, but they are not like Zara and H&M as well. 1000-1200 की range में आपको बहुत अच्छे मिल जाएंगे. So this is the one that I'm wearing. इस पे थोड़ा boho print है. I have दूसरे भी. So there's this nude shirt that I got. This is my favorite. I've worn this so many times. It just looks classy. This color is so in these days. So this is like a plain one. I have one checkered one. This is white again. Checks है but मैंने color muted लिया है so that it doesn't look too out there. So ये पूरा shirt तो नहीं है. It's just a half button up shirt. So one is this and the last one that I have is this with abstract print. ये abstract print भी बहुत in है these days. I actually wore this with a belt. These are the 4 shirts that I've bought recently and obsessed with.
थी हमारी ये महीने की शॉपिंग. और भी बहुत कुछ है बट ये वीडियो की लाइफ के लिए
बस टोटल तो पूछना भी मत. मतलब जाने दो मम्मी डैडी वीडियो देख रहे हैं तो we can't. So yeah, that's it for this video. We hope you guys enjoyed it. Whatever online we can find, we will try and link it for you. And बाकी तो mostly सब store से ही लिया हुआ है. So unfortunately उसके तो links नहीं होंगे but we hope you enjoyed it and if you did then
don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also click on the bell icon there to get notified every time we upload a new video.
And we shall see you all in our next video now. Bye.